Today we're meeting one of our apprentices. Can be either the architect or the engineer. So for interior dimensions, you're gonna look for a place where everybody can be dimensioned. For example, here I chose this one. So I can dimension the inner CR toilet. I can put the dimension of this one. Okay? I can put the dimension until there. Stairs kasi. Ching, 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 ching. Okay? Most of the time, people are putting columns here, columns here, columns there. Without seeing in 3D na andito na pala yung beam. Oh, mag-crawl ba si Francis dyan to go up to the stairs? Yeah. That's why as early as architectural design, we do the concept for structural. And when we send them over to engineer, structural or civil engineer, to see if they can make this strong enough to apply the design. Because when engineer brings back the structural analysis, yung ginawa ko palang 40-30, pinalitan niya ng 35-35. Now, if this is dynamic component in our SketchUp model, input mo lang, updated na lahat. You don't have to erase and redraw. That's a concept. For the electrical, I'm just gonna put there yung lights and then the power. Now, if the junior architect or the permit draftsman is skilled enough, siya na ang bahala sa switches, tsaka circuit. It's okay. If I do the per CPM, let's say the principal architect, all you have to do is go to the site and manage this one, construction. The per CPM is usually done by the project construction manager because he plans the scheduling, even the purchasing. Even if you're there as a safety officer, then you can even check their shoring and excavation, the way they do things. So, as an architecture apprentice, do not just focus on finishing. You need to learn also how to do roughing and structural and site them. Sabihin natin, yes, it looks more difficult, no? Parang mas mahirap siya kasi maselan, excavation, maulan, heavy equipment. Pero kung tutusin, materials mo is halos paulit-ulit. Bakal, concrete, shoring, unlike sa finishing na medyo meticulous at maarte ang client. Unlike here, they cannot let you change what's in the analysis kasi yun ang output ni engineer na dapat sundan. So your job there is to make sure as a safety officer, things are complied with under the safety code. And as a construction manager, if you will become one, is to implement the structural blueprint, analysis, design, excavation, fencing. You might even earn more. So the difference between art and design is, in art it's very visual. For example, in your site development plan, you say that this is a pine tree, and they question you, it doesn't look like a pine tree, or you don't have a label. Artists will redraw everything. However, as architects and designers, we have to learn how to write and label and specify specifications that this is a pine tree. Unless we have legends that this symbol stands for red oak, then we can use this symbol. However, if you are using a general symbol for a tree, then just write there, red oak. If it's yellow oak, remove that and change it to yellow. Okay? So as architects, you have to learn also how to fix your handwriting, red oak. It has a different impact to the viewer. Now, if you write your pine tree, let's say your drawing is very nice, but you wrote pine like this, then it might as well be a horror tree. See? Because in the first year of architecture, we have things called graphics 1. And usually what we do there, we draw lines to improve our muscle memory, as well as doing this, A. And the standard writing for architects is usually the box lettering, like in Leroy. Okay? A. So, only if you are writing like an essay or some permits, it's best to go like Arial narrow, where you can go like this, A, B, C. It's still readable, just like this red oak. But for plants, it's also nice to go a bit more horizontal, like this. Ching, 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 ching. A bit more boxy rectangle. Why? because it's easier to read. Red oak. It feels a bit more compressed and horizontal, but we tend to do this to save space. Okay, now imagine if your essay is something like this. Who can read that? This is an artwork. They think it's Japanese writing, but this is not good for permits. You get a wrong spelling, your whole permit is wrong. You need to know how to draw, yes. If you have this ready na, let's say, in your software, di mas maganda. Okay? Okay, let's check your handwriting right here. Every good boy does fine. It doesn't look like that before. Before, everything was dancing. It was going left, it was going right.
Pangit pa rin para sa akin.
No, this is good, but look at this. I'm talking to you about the horizontal. You're fine with the vertical lines, right? I told you vertical lines just has to be straight. But your horizontal is either going up or super straight. But do not make it like that, or do not make it different. Be consistent. So example, D. Ching. Because if you're rushing, this is still more eligible than something that goes like that, or something that, if super straight, ganyan, okay lang. But if you're rushing, it's better to go a bit. It's faster and more readable. It's clear. Ang sticks. A lot of Arki students write like this. Nagmumukhang Japanese daw. Cool. Okay, sa drawing okay lang. But once they do like research works, ganun na yung itsura niya. Ang sakit sa mata pag paragraph. So, kung research works, you can do yung mga cute. Kunwari, hi, today, you can even do lowercase. Hindi naman bawal ang lowercase sa Arki pag susulat ka lang eh. It's for the drawings to be eligible. So it can be like, hi, today, I went to, tingnan mo yung N ko, nag-curve pa siya. Other people, you can do like that. I went to, yung W ko pag nagra-rush, chak, 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 chak. Diba? Chak, chak, chak. Pwede rin. So you need to know what it's for. Kung permits yan, hindi naman araw-araw magsusulat ka dyan. So make it nice na. Especially pag pangalan, lot number 2. Lot 5. Baka, King. So ang rule usually dyan, pag nagsusulat ka ng official documents, wag mong silang pagdikitin. Wag mong gawin ganyan, ganyan. Because they will not be able to type this. Magkamali sila dyan, affected yung buong permit mo. Central.
Tapos ang liliit pa minsan ng nila, space nila. Grabe yung...
So, this is what I mean by, usually the first stroke yung maalaga, the second one can just do itself. Example, first, L for second. E for or I'm the architect and the project manager, so I also show up to clarify anything regarding the design and the site. So dapat alam niyo yung site bago kaya mag-design.
Yes.
Hindi yung nagde-design lang para sa, yung pipirma lang para sa permit, tapos biglang mawawala. So one thing to note about coming here for inspection, whenever you visit the municipal office, before you come for inspection, always remember that the public assistance desk usually are not technical people. So if you ask them about building height, setbacks, usually they only have the general knowledge. Now, sometimes they say you have to bring everything during inspection, all the building drawings. However, they are avoiding losing drawings once you give it to them. That's why during inspection, all you need is the site development plan, the vicinity map, and all other information needed for site inspection. Do not bring the whole 5 copies. Well, if you have it in your car, then that's okay. But don't be overstressed and rattled about that, because sometimes the public information desk or the public assistance desk gives general knowledge for things that they are not technical about. Sige, dalhin nyo na lang po. And that's exactly what happened to the SPA. The attorney, in fact, he brought all of the drawings. They did not even get it. Learning experience,